This cream sauce is incredible and it's so easy to make. The recipe will be in the description. We're just starting out by adding some flour to our melted butter, and it's unsalted butter. Keep your heat at medium-low, constantly stirring so it doesn't get lumpy or burn.
Quite little, we're adding in our flour to our melted butter. It's the beginning of our bechamel sauce.
Here we're using milk. You can also use cream if you have that on hand. Add in a little bit at a time. That way your sauce does not become too runny. As you need more, you can always add.
Bechamel sauce here first.
Add the salt little by little so you can season it to your personal taste.
Testing it again with salt. Needs a little bit more. Third time a charm testing out this sauce right here. Oh. Still lacking. You've got to make sure you have enough salt in this bechamel sauce. We're using a lot of milk, butter, and flour in it. If you don't have enough salt, it's going to taste bland. It's going to we're going to need salt in there. We don't like bland food, so make sure you season it up properly. This is the final test here of the bechamel sauce. Let's hope there's enough salt in it this time. Too much salt. Oh, it's too salty now. Yeah, there's too much salt in it now. We put too much salt. That last one put it over the edge. It's too much salt. Oh, what's going on, Ma? Putting too much salt, I think. No. So real quick, if you feel like you have too much salt, add a little bit more milk and we can get it down so the salt is not overpowering. A dash of pepper. You've got some fresh grated Parmesan cheese going in.
Yeah, we can throw a couple of tablespoons there. That's why I'm easy on the salt. The cheese is spicy.
Nice.
Perfect.
This is a nice creamy bechamel sauce. It's not too runny and it is not too thick.
There you go, everybody. A nice, quick, and easy cream sauce recipe. Do me a favor as well, subscribe to the channel. Boom.